Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna show the TK1 folding electric trike. It's pretty cool because it comes mostly assembled. It's just in one box. So I'm gonna unbox it, assemble it, and take it for a ride. I figured it was easier just to tear open the box. I promised myself I would never show another tricycle on my channel after the last one, but this one comes mostly assembled and it folds. Yeah! Did you come to help? From those boxes, I pulled out all of this. Well, not the fender, but look at that. It really doesn't look like there's that much to do. Ooh. A quick release? Every bike should come with a bottle holder. Assembling this should be about as easy as a regular e-bike. So I'm gonna start with the handlebars. And they only go in one way. There's a flat side, the rest is rounded. You stick it in, and then you lift it up. I don't know yet where I'm gonna want, let's just go right there. Quick releases are awesome because you don't need any tools. And also you can quickly remove the wheel, which I'm guessing you gotta do to fold it. Unscrew that, take that out. If my nails look filthy at any point, they get pretty filthy from doing this. I have to remove this little plastic bit right here. Once this is out, do not hit the brakes. I don't really need to balance anything, so I should just be able to pick this up. Now I'm going to skewer the wheel. Wheel shish kebab. Stick that back on there. Screw that in. Then mush this up here. Like it's really gotta clamp tight. The manual said to put the lever in front of the fork, so I redid it, have it more in front. I don't know if it matters if it's on that side or on that side. I don't think so. Here is where I could go one of two ways. I'm gonna put the fender in, and then I could have the light here, but I'm gonna put the front basket on, so the light's gonna go elsewhere on the basket. The issue I'm having is trying to get this through. There we go, got it through. Because this little doodad here goes on the outside. And then the fender also attaches over here on both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all 4 of these screws right here. So now I can install this. This is what holds the basket. This is really cool. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit everywhere. Once that's on, the light goes right here. This is for if you want it without the basket, and then this if you want the basket. Yeah! And away I go. I inflated all 3 tires to 35 PSI and double checked everything to make sure all the screws are tight. Even the stuff that was pre-assembled. I'm gonna put it on pedal assist 1. It really takes off. And you'd think with a tricycle, it having 3 wheels, it wouldn't feel so tipsy. It does. The more I ride it, the more stable it feels. It kind of gives you the illusion that it's gonna tip over, but then it doesn't tip over. Upon further inspection of the rear end, I noticed something that I didn't notice when I was unboxing this bike. It has a speed differential mechanism, and this enhances the control and stability on turns. And this is absolutely the reason why I feel more stable on this trike than the previous trike I showed in another video. However, on turns, I still slow down a lot. Tricycles just feel tipsier. That's probably why the max speed on them is a lot lower. And with this one, max speed is supposed to be 16 miles an hour. I got it to about 15.5, 15.6. Pedal assist 1. It's going as full speed right at pedal assist 1 using the throttle. They say a safe speed is 16 miles an hour. Right now it's at 15.5. Now I'm gonna pedal. Pedal assist 1. And there's no gears, so it's just 1 gear. Let's see how fast I can get it. I'm using my legs. 9 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2. It feels a little bit lighter to pedal, but not much. And I got it to about 9.8 miles an hour, 9.9, almost 10. 10 if I pedal harder. Pedal assist 3. Even easier to pedal. And as you can see, the speed is going up too now. Although I'm approaching a ever so slight dip here. Pedal assist 4. I kind of feel like there's no point in pedaling. 0 effort, which means 5. It's gonna be a lot faster with 0 effort. I'm at the hill. That's what I'm gonna call it now. And from a dead stop, I'm gonna pedal up on pedal assist 4. Look how easy that is. I'm barely pedaling. This time from a dead stop, throttle only. Pedal assist 1. Although it doesn't really matter on this bike. With throttle, it's the same on all of them. And I'm pretty impressed with the brakes too. I don't feel like I'm gonna die right here going back down this. But yeah, the more and more I ride this, the more stable it feels. What's really cool about this bike?
Blinkers. But unlike a car,
these ones are silent. There's no clicky noise. And I'd really like to have that clicky noise because I keep leaving the blinkers on.
the seat, it's big and it's really comfy. It's a bunch of foam in there. They call it vacuum foam. I don't even know what that means, but it's soft.
The headlight on this is really big.
And as much as I appreciate a big headlight, I would also appreciate a separate button for it, because right now the way it is, you have to hold down the plus button for a couple seconds and then the headlight turns on. When the headlight is on,
well, you can't even tell because it's like broad daylight, but these lights are on as well. So right now I have it on really flat ground. It's not going anywhere, but a lot of times the ground isn't perfectly flat, so you can actually lock the brakes in. See this little knobby thing? I had the GoPro selfie stick in my mouth, so what I did here is I clamped down on the brakes and then I clamped down this, and that locks them, but it is on both sides, so you can lock the front and the back. So let me stick the GoPro back in my mouth. I can see what I'm talking about. So you just clamp that, and then you clamp this, and now the bike's not going anywhere. The range on this is 35 to 60 miles. 60 miles, that's like on the lower end of the motor assistance. So if you're just using pedal assist 1, you can probably get up to 60 miles out of this. And if you're using full electric mode and just holding down the throttle, you're probably gonna get closer to that 35-mile range. There's some foliage here. It's actually got a pretty decent height range on it, all the way from 5 foot to 6'3". And I'm kind of believing them. This one, compared to the other bike I reviewed, the other e-trike, it's comfortable for me, and I'm 5'8". And I think it'd be comfortable for a shorter person as well. The seat's really adjustable, so are the handlebars. And I don't feel cramped on it. It feels just right. I am so much happier with this e-trike than I am with the last one that I showed on my channel. I will say this is a very good one. I'm only comparing it to one other one, but I really do like this one. It is comfortable, and I would say it's comfortable for most heights because both the seat and the handlebars can be adjusted quite a bit. And I also really like that it comes in 5 different colors. That's rare. I usually see them in 1 or 2, sometimes 3, 5. I feel so awkward doing this. I'm a pro. I don't need hands. So if you're interested in this e-trike, I'll have a link down below in the video's description. You can also find Mooncool at mooncool.com. Okay, it's 3,000 degrees out here once again, so I'm gonna head home, which means it's cheesy outro time. Toodaloo-dee-doo. Bye guys.